Want to start a dropshipping business that can earn you up to $1,000 a day without inventory, packaging, or warehouses? Then welcome to CoinCrafts, the ultimate channel where money meets creativity. In today's video, we'll walk you through a beginner-friendly, step-by-step dropshipping guide using completely free and low-cost tools you can start using today. Whether you're a student, side hustler, or aspiring entrepreneur, this video is designed to help you get started with zero experience. Let's start with the basics. Dropshipping is a retail model where you don't keep the products you sell. Instead, when someone places an order in your online store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. That means no inventory, no packing, and no trips to the post office. It's a perfect low-risk, high-reward business model, especially in 2025. Now that you know what dropshipping is, let's pick a winning product. You want trending items that are in high demand but have low competition. Sounds tricky? Don't worry, here are a few tools that can help. Use platforms like Sell the Trend, AliShark, and TrendHunter to explore what's hot right now. Focus on evergreen niches like pet accessories, home workout gear, or smart tech gadgets. These categories tend to perform well year-round. Time to build your store. Don't stress, you don't need to be a coding genius. Shopify is the most beginner-friendly and widely used, but if you're already using WordPress, WooCommerce is a great alternative. BigCommerce and Sellfy are also solid picks. Use free store themes, keep your design clean, and write high-converting product descriptions that answer the customer's needs. First impressions matter. Now, let's find a supplier you can count on. AliExpress is great for beginners, with a wide range of products and low prices. But if you want faster shipping, check out Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, or Spocket. These platforms offer us EU-based suppliers for quicker delivery and more trust with customers. Always choose suppliers with at least 4-star ratings, clear return policies, and proven delivery times. You've got a product in a store, now let's get people to visit. This is where traffic and marketing come into play. TikTok is the wild west of free advertising. Create organic videos showing your product in action, or use Instagram Reels and Stories to build a visual brand. Ready to invest a little money? Facebook ads can be laser-targeted, and influencer marketing platforms like Heepsy or Upfluence can connect you to niche creators. Pro tip: use some UI to design scroll-stopping ads and social media graphics. No design skills needed. Once you start making sales, it's time to automate. DSers connects with AliExpress and helps you fulfill orders in one click. AutoDS handles everything from importing products to tracking prices. Use Loox to collect photo reviews, and Klaviyo to run email campaigns and cart recovery sequences. The more you automate, the more time you'll have to test new products, run retargeting ads, and scale your business. So there you have it. With the right tools and a bit of hustle, you could be earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars a day, all from a dropshipping store you built from scratch. If you found value in this video, smash that like button. Comment your niche idea below, I'd love to hear what you're planning. And don't forget to subscribe to CoinCrafts for more e-commerce tutorials, AI tools, and passive income hacks. Thanks for watching CoinCrafts. Click the videos on your screen now to learn even more ways to turn your creativity into cash.